Hi, good morning, respected panel members, senior leaders, and colleagues. My name is Priyansh. Today, I would like to explain the Operations and Strategy Lead Manager role at Surya Biofuels Limited, its purpose, responsibilities, and value it brings to the organization. This role sits at the heart of the company. It connects production, supply chain, and strategic growth into one integrated function. In simple words, I would like to say this position ensures that Surya Biofuels plans at the top level is successfully delivered on the grounds. I will explain this role under six major areas. First of all, we have role summary. Secondly, we have operational management. Third, strategic planning and execution. Fourth, process improvement and innovations. Fifth, stakeholders coordinations. And sixth, risk compliances and required capabilities. Firstly, I will explain about the role summary, the purpose of the position. The operation and strategy lead is responsible for planning, coordinating, and enhancing operational performances and strategic initiatives across the organization. This means the role has two equal important responsibilities. Firstly, to make sure that daily operations run smoothly, safely, and efficiently. Secondly, to ensure the company is moving in the right strategic direction for the long term growth of the firm. Surya Biofuels is a leading producer of food grade and fuel grade ethanol and bioenergy solutions. Therefore, consistency, quality, and cost efficiencies are critical almost most of the times. This role ensures plant operates reliably, costs are controlled, quality standards are met, and the growth plans are realistic and executables. In short, this position transforms company's vision into practical execution. Secondly, we have operational management. Operational management is the foundation of this role. The first responsibility is to oversee daily production activities. This ensures ensuring that ethanol and biofuels production meets quality standards, safety requirements, and cost targets. High quality output builds customer trust. Safety operations might protect employees and assets. Cost efficiency protects profitability. The operations and strategy lead must continuously monitor production volumes, plant efficiency, equipment uptime, water usage and energy, and raw material consumptions. These are measured through production KPIs. If performance drops, the role requires identifying the root cause and taking corrective actions quickly. Another key responsibility is the resource optimization. Resource includes raw materials, manpower, machinery, time, energy. This goal is to achieve maximum output with the minimum waste, which means it needs to be efficient and effective at the same time. Supply chain coordination is also so critical. This includes managing inventory, coordination, transportation, ensuring timely delivery to customers, and procuring raw materials on the time. A weak supply chain can stop production even if plant itself is efficient. The role also involves implementing standard operating procedures and operating systems. SOPs creates consistency, predictability, and safety. Well-defined systems reduce dependency on individuals and increase organization reliability. Finally, this role leads cross-functional teams. Operations do work in isolation. Production, maintenance, quality, procurement, logistics, and finance must move together. The operation and strategy lead aligns these functions to ensure that production targets are achieved, compliance goals are met, and problems are solved collaboratively. Third, on the side, we have strategic planning and execution. Beyond daily operations, this role focuses on long term directions. The first responsibility here is assisting in developing long term organization strategies and analyze market trends, internal performance to recommend strategic initiatives, assist with business expansion plans, new product development, and capacity growth, conduct feasibility studies, budgeting, and forecasting for strategic projects. On the next point we do have is uh, process improvement and innovations. Continuous improvement is essential in manufacturing. The operations and strategy lead improves improvement using methodologies such as lean, six sigma, continuous improvement programs. This focus is on reducing waste, improving efficiency, increasing yield, and lowering cost per unit. Small improvements made consistently result in large long-term benefits. Technology and automation also play a major role. The position identifies and implements digital monitoring system, automation tools, and advanced analytics. These tools improve visibility, accuracy, speed of decision making. The roles are collaborates closely with R&D and quality teams. Together, they work to improve process stability, enhance product quality, and develop differential products. Fifth, on the side, we have stakeholder coordination. The operation and strategy lead interacts with multiple stakeholders at a time. Internally, production, maintenance, quality, and procurement, finance, and sales. Externally, suppliers, vendors, logistic partners, and the regulators. The role ensures alignment between all stakeholders so that everyone works towards common objective. Which means the organization's main objective is a common goal. Another important responsibility is reporting. The role represents operational performance, risk assessments, and much more. These reports are drawn, are data driven, and help senior leadership make informed decisions. Risk and compliances. Biofuel operations are face multiple risks: safety risk, environmental risk, supply disruptions, and market volatility. The operation and strategy lead continuously monitors these risks and develops mitigation strategies. Safety is non-negotiable. The role ensures safety standards are followed, employees are trained, incidents are investigated, preventive actions are taken, compliance with environmental regulations, quality standards, legal requirement is mandatory. Strong compliances protects company reputation, license to operate, long-term sustainability. And on the last, we have qualification and skill and why they matter. The role requires a background in engineering, operational management, business administration, and industrial engineering. This ensures technical understanding and combined with business perspective is much more valuable. Understand the and work with quality and R&D teams to improve process and products. Stakeholders coordination, liaising with the suppliers, vendors, internal teams, prepare present performance reports to senior leadership, coordinate with the regulatory bodies to ensure compliance. Uh, and this was from my side. Thank you very much.